Hi, I'm Doug Nopar and I direct the Land Stewardship Project's Bridge to Soil Health program.
And I'm Shona Snyder and work as the lead organizer.
Land Stewardship Project, a 35-year-old Minnesota-based organization with more than 4,000 members. Our Bridge to Soil Health program, where we works with mid-sized crop and livestock farms to rebuild the natural productivity of the soil. Getting large numbers of people to turn out for soil health events is important to us, so people wanting to make changes on their farm don't feel alone, don't feel isolated, feel like they're part of something bigger. Our Lewiston office, where our Bridge to Soil Health program is based, is 12 miles west of the Mississippi River, in a hilly region highly susceptible to both soil erosion and high nitrates in rural wells. Extreme rainfall events have become more common in recent years. We work across the political spectrum, and we find that there are some strong values in common among farmers, deeply concerned about the soil and water, very anti-corporate, want affordable health care, and serious and radical reform to federal farm policy. While our events focus primarily on soil health, it's also important, particularly in these political times, that we engage farmers in the larger issues we face in the Midwest. Of course, that includes climate change, but also issues like immigrant rights and racial justice. Despite daunting farm economics and really difficult weather, the farmers we've been working with have joy in trying to do something they feel is right for the soil, right for their farms, and right for the environment.
We started the Soil Builders Network 2 years ago that numbers over 600 farmers dedicated to building soil. The network receives a bi-monthly newsletter which features stories, podcasts, and videos of local farmers and their experiences trying out soil building practices. We also host many field days and winter workshops. In the past 2 years, we have hosted big-name presenters like Ray Archuleta, Joshua Dukart, and internationally known soil microbiologist Elaine Ingham, drawing in over 1,300 people in that time. Crucial to our successful workshops are local farmer presenters sharing critical local knowledge. And on climate change, our approach is to feature farmers talking about how their soil building methods sink carbon into the soil, acknowledging what's happening with the climate and giving other farmers permission to call climate change what it is. In the past year, we have added 2 staff members to our team, Alex Romano and Liana Nichols, who are leading our grazing work and have been meeting with farmers for one-to-one conversations. In the last 2 years, we have now visited with over 200 farmers in southeast Minnesota. We recently kicked off several new pieces of work which will deepen our relationships with farmers and connect more farmers to one another. The first piece are soil hubs. Soil hubs are groups of 10 to 15 farmers each meeting in specific locations, coming together to share the practices that they are trying out, what they have learned, and motivating one another. Another new piece are grazing circles that meet on a regular basis and discuss grazing topics. Lastly, we launched a farmer-to-farmer consulting service early this spring for farmers who have questions on cover cropping, no-till, and grazing practices. Consultations can be made by phone or in person and have involved topics ranging from how to build your own cover crop interseeder to specific pasture management questions. This year, we will be reaching out to even more farmers to involve in our public policy work, like developing a state soil health action plan. And we will build more awareness about the link between climate change and soil health and challenge corporate power. Thank you for the support you have given us in the past, and we hope to earn your support for our future work.